Black parents must go a step further in parenting their children concerning the stark reality of America's historical consciousness about race in general, and particularly about what it means to be Black in American society. Black parents must go another step to socialize their children about the aversive historical, legal, political, social, and economic climate that many Black Americans have and continue to experience almost on a daily basis, relative to race, relative to the color variable. Black parents must raise their children's level of awareness that racial prejudice and discrimination at the individual and institutional level, that they are real. Black parents are challenged on two fronts when it comes to parenting their children. On the one hand, they have to deal with their own socialization and resocialization of who they are as Black Americans, and on the other hand, socialize their children to the norms and values of society while resocializing them from negative messages about themselves in hopes of establishing a vibrant self. Black parents have to protect their children from all of the dangers that other parents are concerned about, but they have the added challenge of protecting their children from internalizing the myriad of external negative messages that tell them almost on a daily basis that they're not good enough, that they are too violent, that they aren't smart enough, not pretty enough, or simply not valuable as other children, or that Black lives don't matter. As Black children internalize these messages, they become part of the child's personality and self-identity. The way in which parents teach their youth how to navigate the often contradictory messages, or teach them that what it means to be Black, is called racial socialization. What does it mean to be Black? What are the messages that we hear? What are these messages that Black parents internalize about their own Blackness?